Taong 2000, ikasampu ng Enero, nang magtapat ako. Umakyat ako ng ligaw sa inyong tahanan at nakilala ko ang inyong ama't ina. At tayo'y naging magkasintahan. Mula noon ay tinawag kitang Pangga.
Boy,
Uy,
congrats. Ayusin ko lang.
sige lang.
Pangga, so this is it. After 20 years, finally, church wedding. So tuloy-tuloy lang natin kung ano yung nasisimulan natin. Maganda na ngayon, we have God as a center of our marriage talaga. Sana mas maging matatag pa tayo. And I promise you, ako pa rin to. Mahal na mahal kita. See you later.
Taong 2005, tayo ay kinasal sa kagustuhan natin at walang halong tingin. Mula noon ay tinawag kita asawa.
Parang iyak din. I love you naman. I love you. Love you. As the Bible says, two are better than one, and a cord of three. Strand is not quickly broken. Today, we place God at the center of our marriage, trusting that He has been the reason our love endured and grows stronger through the years. Once more, I commit my life to you in covenant today, always, and forever. I love you, Pangga ko, habang buhay. Si Daddy, ano siya, sweet pero hindi showy. Kasi ano siya eh, very, parang pag nasa labas, parang ano siya, astig-astig gano'n. Pero kapag kaming dalawa na lang, very sweet siya. Very sweet.
Sayang lang kasi parang hindi niya kami na-witness magkakapatid na ganito. Ayun lang, na-miss lang namin siya lahat. Kami magkakapatid. Mami, thank you sa lahat. At finally natuloy na rin. Kita tayo mamaya. Love you.
Parating yung pahalagahan ng pagsasama nyo bilang pamilya. Madaming mga pagsubok yung darating, ngunit parati kayong maging buo.
May mga ups and downs din. Sobrang dami. Pero yun, with the grace of God, naayos namin lahat.
You are just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're
Hi, Pangga ko. Every tick ng watch na ito reminds you ng love ko. Sana tuwing susot mo ito, maalala mo hindi lang ang time na ginugol natin together, kundi pati na rin ang lifetime na.
Mike is very supportive tsaka responsible father talaga siya. Mas siya yung mas cool kesa yung sabi ng anak ko.
Daddy,
Hello. It's so beautiful.
thank you. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. You ready?
Yes.
Mommy's ready?
Mommy's so pretty.
Okay, that's good.
I just can't believe that you are mine now. You are just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes.
Ikaw lamang ang aking tahanan at ang aking habang buhay. Mahal kita, ngayon at magpakailanman.
Nagsama tayo sa bansang Bahrain at doon bumuo ng pamilya. Nabiyayaan ng isang anak at tinawag kitang mami. Ang lahat ng ito, sa loob ng 20 taon, nagsama tayo sa hirap at ginawa. Sa araw nito, sa harap ng pamilya at matalik nating kaibigan, gusto ko malaman mo na ikaw ang aking kapiling sa bawat bukang liwayway at aking uwian sa bawat dapit hapon. Ito ang aking taimtim na panata bilang iyong asawa magpakailanman. Mahal kong Dalisay.
You were just a dream that I want to. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You were all I need to be here with forever.